Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make all of your YouTube videos private at once. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go to your YouTube Studio page and then select the content button on the left side versus video up in the top field. Click where it says select all. You may also want to select all matching, which will select all videos on your channel and not just the ones that show up on this page. You would then select where it says edit, click the drop down and select visibility. You can then set it to either private or unlisted, whatever your preference is, and then you would select update videos, and that is all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.